Hi, today I'm with me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to turn off Google Assistant on this device. So first let's launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner. Be sure that you are logged in into Gmail account. After that just tap to the settings and click the Google Assistant section. Tap sign in, select your account, or just here scroll down to the general options and you'll see here Google Assistant switcher series. Just to turn off Google Assistant, we should click once on the switcher and confirm our action by tap to turn off button. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.